What's the meaning of chlorination? Chlorination. Chlorination.
Chlorination. Chlorination. Chlorination refers to the process of adding chlorine to water or other substances. The primary purpose of chlorination is to disinfect and destroy harmful microorganisms such as bacteria and viruses. When chlorine is added to water, it reacts with organic matter and kills any present pathogens. The result is a safer, more sanitary environment for drinking, swimming, and other activities. Chlorination has been widely used since the early 1900s and is still an essential process in ensuring the safety of our water supply.